Hey guys, so for today's video, it's gonna be a Barbie cake. Order to ng aking sororital sister for her twins. Meron siyang anak na kambal, si Kyla at si Kylie, and they are celebrating their 7th birthday today. Actually, it's me who choose the Barbie theme cake for their birthday kasi their mother asked me ano kaya ang magandang theme na cake. So, since this past few weeks, naging trending yung Barbie, so, yun yung pinili ko. So, para lang may difference sa dalawang cake. The other one is pink and the other one is purple. I'm so proud of myself kasi the topper that I used for this cake is my own made. As in, I downloaded it one by one and then put them all together. I've made them a vanilla cake kasi this is their favorite talaga. Of course, whipped cream frosting. Ngayon na rin ako ng caramel as filling ng cake. 4 years ago, simula nung nag-bake talaga ako, every celebration, umu-order talaga sila sa akin ng cake. So, suki ko na talaga sila. Pero sila yung suki na hindi bumihingi ng discount and freebies. Ang bilis kasing kausap nitong sister ko kasi she will just ask you how much is this, magsisend ng design, pero usually hindi rin kasi she's the one who asked me na ako na ang bahala. And then when I tell her the price, okay na kaagad, deal na kaagad. So ito yung topper na ginawa ko siya ng mano-mano. 'Di ba ang ganda niya? So parang nakaka-proud sa sarili kasi kaya ko na palang mag-edit on my own. Then nag-add lang ako ng gold leaf, the candle, and yung sprinkles. Yung topper mo ididikit sa cake, lagyan mo ng tape sa likod para hindi siya mabasa. So, ito na yung finished product. The pink and the purple Barbie cake. Yun lang guys for today's video. Thank you for watching.